Chapter 3: Fiber to Fabric. We will learn history of clothing, sources of fiber, conversion of fiber to fabric. Try to answer. Why do people like to wear different types of clothes? How are clothes made? The basic necessities for human beings are food, shelter, and clothing. Clothes guard our body from external environment. They protect us from insect bites and also make us look civilized. The traditional clothes worn by people in our country vary from region to region. Depending on the climate of the place, people wear different clothes. Clothes are made of different types of materials. For example, cotton sari is made of cotton, jacket is made of leather, sweater is made of wool, etc. History of clothing. It is said that humans started wearing clothes more than 150,000 years ago. In the beginning of civilization, people used to cover themselves with barks and big leaves of trees or animal skins and furs. After people began to settle in agricultural communities, they started weaving twigs and grass into mats and baskets. Vines and animal fleece or hair were twisted together into long strands. Slowly, they began to weave these strands into the fabric. In the next stage, flax and cotton were woven into clothes. The early Indians wore fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the regions near the Ganges River. In those times, people just draped the fabric to cover themselves. People started wearing stitched clothes only after the needle was invented. These stitching needles were made up of bones and ivory and had been discovered in Russia. Even today in India, we see people wearing unstitched garments like turbans, saris and dhoti. Just as there is a large variety in the food eaten all over our country, a large variety exists in fabrics and clothing items too. Sources of fiber. We get fibers from plants, animals, and chemicals. Thus, fibers can be broadly classified into two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained from natural sources, that is, plants and animals. Example: cotton, jute, silk, wool, etc. Plant fibers. Fibers obtained from plant sources are called plant fibers. Example: cotton, jute, coir and linen. Cotton. Cotton is the world's most popular plant fiber. It is a warm season crop that requires moderate rainfall. It is obtained from cotton plants that grow in black soil in western and southern India. The cotton plant bears fruits about the size of a lemon called cotton balls. The balls are full of seeds and cotton fiber. They burst open when they are ripe. The fibers are then used to create the yarn using the following steps. Picking. The cotton fibers are collected by hand from the ripe cotton balls. This process is called picking. Earlier this was done with hands, but nowadays machines are used in big cotton mills. Ginning. Next, the cotton fibers are separated from the seeds by combing them. This is known as ginning. Ginning was traditionally done by hand. Nowadays, machines are used. Spinning. The fibers are cleaned and made into long thread-like strands. The fibers are spun using spinning machines to form cotton yarn. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. The raw cotton is supplied to industry in the form of bales. Spinning machines are used to spin yarn on a large scale, and this yarn is used for making fabrics. Activity. Let us make a cotton yarn. Take some cotton wool and hold some of it in one hand. Pinch some cotton between the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Gently pull out and twist it with this hand. This process is known as spinning. By repeating the process, the fibers form a yarn. Uses of cotton. Cotton is a soft fabric. It lets air pass through it. That is why it is called a breathing fabric. The sweat absorbed by cotton fabric evaporates easily and, thus, it cools the body. This property makes cotton fabric comfortable to wear. This is the reason why clothes made from cotton are worn in hot and humid climates. In India, khadi, a coarse handwoven cloth, is made from cotton. Cotton is mostly used for making clothes of various kinds such as towels, bedsheets, curtains, saris, etc. Do you know? Mahatma Gandhi promoted the use of spinning charkha throughout India. The charkha came to be recognized as the Indian symbol of self-sufficiency and independence all over the world. Jute. Jute is a natural fiber with a golden, silky shine and hence is popularly known as golden fiber. It is obtained from the stem of the jute plant and is the second most important plant fiber after cotton. Jute is in great demand because of the cheapness, strength, durability and uniformity of its fiber. The jute plant mainly grows in places that have high temperatures and plenty of rainfall. It is cultivated during the rainy season and it is grown in alluvial soil which is found usually in the delta region of the Ganges and Brahmaputra rivers. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Jute is generally sown between February and May depending upon its different varieties. The crop is ready for harvesting in 4 to 5 months. The jute plant grows 10 to 12 feet in height and has no branches. The stem of the jute plant has a thick bark that has fibers inside it. A good quality fiber is obtained from plants which are cut at the flowering stage. The process of obtaining jute yarn from the plant is as follows. Retting. The jute plant is generally harvested when it is in the flowering stage. After harvesting, the stems of jute plants are cut to the ground and tied into bundles and are then soaked in water for about 20 days until they start rotting. Then the fibers are separated by hand from the rotting stems. This process is called retting. After this, stripping, rinsing, washing and cleaning is done and the fiber is dried in the sun and pressed into bales. Spinning. Once the fibers have been obtained, they are made into yarn by twisting the strands together. This process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Uses of jute. The strong threads made from jute fiber are used in making sacks for packing and storing grains. This helps in sustaining livelihoods of millions of small farmers. Jute fibers are used mainly for making gunny bags, shopping bags, ropes, rugs, carpets, curtains, etc. Other useful plant fibers. Coir. Coir or coconut fiber is a natural fiber extracted from the husk of coconut. Coir is too rough to be made into garments. It is mostly used to make doormats, carpets, and other flooring material. Hemp. Another important plant fiber is hemp. Hemp fiber is obtained from the stems of hemp plant. It is mostly used to make ropes, carpets, clothes, papers, and nets. Flax. Fibers obtained from the stem of the flax plant are woven to make a fabric called linen. Flax fibers are also used in the production of rope and high-quality paper. Animal fibers. Fibers that are obtained from animal sources are called animal fibers. For example, wool and silk. Wool. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or other hairy animals such as cashmere goat, Angora rabbit, yak and camel. The process by which the fleece is removed from an animal is called shearing. After shearing, the woolen fibers are washed in big tanks to remove dirt and grease. This fiber is then woven or knitted to make woolen clothes. Fabrics made from wool are light, soft and do not wrinkle easily. Wool can be dyed in different colors. Wool is the best fabric to wear in winter because it has the property of retaining heat which helps to keep us warm. Wool is used for making warm clothes such as sweater, cap, shawl, gloves and blanket. In addition to clothing, it is also used for making carpets and upholstery. Silk. Silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Silkworm feeds on the leaves of mulberry plants and secretes an unbroken fiber cocoon around itself. This cocoon is boiled and unwound to form the fiber. The fiber is then spun to form a silk yarn. The rearing of silkworms for the production of silk is called sericulture. Silk is a costly fabric. It is soft, shiny and smooth to touch. It is the strongest natural fiber. It can be dyed easily. Silk fiber is used for weaving cloth, especially traditional dresses in India like sari, kurta, shawl and other wedding clothes. Silk had always been prized for its luster and fine quality. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers and are not obtained from any plant and animal sources. The rapid development in science and technology has resulted in the manufacture of artificial fibers to meet the growing demands of increasing population. Nylon, rayon and polyester are synthetic fibers. The synthetic fibers are strong, do not get wrinkled and dry up easily. These fabrics have lesser air spaces within them, so they do not absorb sweat and are unsuitable for use in hot and humid climate. That is why synthetic fibers are usually mixed with other natural fibers such as cotton or wool to make cloth which has strength and can also breathe and absorb sweat. Type of fibers. Name. Sources. Natural fibers, plant source. Cotton. Balls of the cotton plant. Jute. Stems of the jute plant. Linen. Stems of the flax plant. Coir. Dry coconut fruit. Hemp. Stems of the hemp plant. Natural fibers, animal source. Wool. Hair of sheep, goat, Angora rabbit, etc. Silk. Cocoon of silkworm. Synthetic fibers. Nylon. Chemicals. Polyester. Chemicals. Rayon. Chemicals from wood pulp. Conversion of fiber to fabric. All clothes are made from fabrics. If we look closely at any fabric, we can see that it is made up of many threads. These thin threads are called yarn. These yarns together produce fabric. Each yarn is further made up of many long and very thin strands called fibers. The fabric is then stitched to make clothes. For example, cotton fabric can be stitched into a cotton frock or a cotton kurta. For the conversion of fiber to fabric, two main processes are used. These are weaving and knitting. Weaving. Weaving is the process of arranging two sets of yarns together perpendicular to each other to make a fabric. Fabrics are woven using a machine called a loom. The loom may be operated by power or by hand. Knitting. Knitting is a process that makes use of a single yarn to make a piece of fabric. That is why, if we pull a single yarn from a torn woolen garment, it keeps unraveling. Knitting can be done by hand or on machines. Keywords. Fiber, a single hair-like strand resembling a thread. Fabric, the cloth obtained by weaving or knitting of yarn. Natural fibers, fibers that are obtained from natural sources such as plants and animals. Synthetic fibers, fibers made by human beings from chemical substances. Ginning, the process of separating the cotton fibers from the seeds. Spinning, the process of making yarn from fibers. Retting, the process of soaking jute stems in water to let them rot. Weaving, the process of making fabric by arranging two sets of threads or yarns perpendicular to each other. Knitting, the process of making woolen fabric by the use of a single yarn.